This is the entry. What you call this? This is entry, isn't it?
So actually it's like ini satu ruangan yang bisa dimodified ya.
Oh mohon maaf ya, ini kan lantai 4. Aku pegel dong kalau naik tangga.
Oke.
Ada lift nggak Om? Nggak bisa dong. Pegel.
We have also a lift for today. Okay.
Oke. Let's go. Ini kita jalan masuk ke liftnya modelnya kayak mau ngerum ya guys.
I'm
If
so
you know what I
sorry.
mean. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So many plants.
Okay, actually this is a work of my wife.
Okay.
Because she loves planting and
okay.
how you can see greenery
Yeah.
and I get used to it.
Iya.
I love it.
Pesawat termahal yang Philip Joseph pernah beli adalah harganya in rupiah.
The round number above 15 M. Above. Yeah.
Gila. Hai guys, hai Komedo, komunitas Melani Ricardo. Wow guys, aku udah sampai sekarang ini ya. Aku pengen 1, 2, 3 buka semuanya, buka semua rumahnya. Karena aku sekarang udah di rumah yang gedong banget guys. Ini adalah rumah Om online aku. Kalau ada papa online, tante online, ini Om online. Om pemersatu bangsa, betul Fitri? Jadi kalau dia nge-live, ada emaknya nonton, ada anak nonton, semuanya nonton. Yuk kita langsung ketemu siapa sih Om online yang katanya menjadi pemersatu bangsa. Let's go! Wow, nice house, look at this. Aduh bagus banget, cantik banget. Tuh, banyak tanaman-tanamannya lagi. Nah kita lihat masuk ke dalam ya. Yuhu! Hai Om!
Hola!
Hai! Guys, ini adalah Om online aku. Ini namanya adalah buka dong, buka.
Okay. Guys, you know it's like
Yes.
precaution. Okay, it's
Yes.
like I just let it out because flu, stick it.
Kamu flu?
Ya, stick
Okay.
it. Tapi
Nggak usah kita pulang nggak jadi deh.
I have no COVID. Tapi saya nggak mau ketularan.
Yes,
Saya
oke.
mantu deh,
Jadi udah nggak usah buka itu, buka yang lain. Buka. Oke, kalau gitu Om Philip Yusuf.
Yes.
Om Philip Yusuf ini kalian sering lihat what are you? You're a design interior?
Actually, I'm an interior designer,
Interior
furniture
designer,
designer,
yes.
and a product designer.
Yes, jadi kalau dulu teman-teman suka nonton di Trans TV, nama acaranya adalah
The Project.
The Project,
Udah
yes.
nggak ada lagi.
Betul, tapi ya hopefully after COVID it's
Yeah.
finished, ada lagi.
Yeah.
Dan sekarang Philip juga punya namanya Philip Space, it's
Yes.
on YouTube channel. Jadi you guys bisa lihat dan juga bisa langsung check and bisa langsung subscribe. Nah, hari ini sebagai seorang furniture designer,
Yes.
kita juga pengen lihat dong rumahnya Om Philip itu seperti apa. Keren nggak nyuruh-nyuruh orang bongkar-bongkar rumah orang? Hello, rumah Anda bagus nggak? Kita lihat dong. Boleh
Oke,
nggak?
oh boleh banget.
Boleh ya?
Oke.
By the way, Om Philip, ini rumah besarnya berapa meter sih? If I may know. It's huge.
Maybe 2,000 square.
Gede banget guys. And then itu ada suara anjing. How many dogs do you have?
So I have got like 5 dogs.
5 dogs.
5 dogs,
How many
yeah.
kids do you have?
2.
2 kids.
Yes.
How many wife do you have?
Just one.
Just
And
one.
it will be always one.
Always one. Yes, bener dong, harus dong.
Yes.
Oke, dan ini lucu banget nih, cantik
Okay.
banget.
Yeah.
This is the entry. What you call this? This is entry, isn't it?
So actually it's like ini satu ruangan yang bisa dimodified ya. Seandainya kita ada party, you know, seandainya we have a birthday party or we have a acara. Nah ini bisa digeser dan di sini ada tempat untuk the guests. Ya, Melanie, this is
Yes.
actually a part, okay? Kalau
What is
seandainya
this?
mereka di sini udah boring, udah bored, and etc.
Yes.
Mereka di sini juga bisa nonton TV, and it's just like a chilling room.
Is it more like a
I
family
call it a
room?
chilling
Oh,
room.
chilling room.
Ya,
Okay.
chilling room. Jadi ini apa buat tamu kita? Sorry for the dogs.
That's okay, that's alright. Guys,
this is actually like
mohon
a
maaf,
chilling room.
boleh lihat TV-nya ya. Berapa orang yang nonton? Cuma 4 orang paling kan, istri, anak, 2 sama bapaknya. TV gede banget bang, ya Allah. Oke, ini siapa yang pilih warnanya kan tiba-tiba terracotta orange ini siapa yang pilih?
So actually it's like the thing is like that every room has to be different ya.
Oh, konsepnya
jadi
gitu.
ya jadi semua ruangan sedikit berbeda supaya nggak boring nomor 1. Nomor 2 juga have a little bit more spirit. Okay.
Kalau boleh tahu ini tuh how many stories in this house? Berapa tingkat sih rumah
4.
ini? 4 tingkat guys, 2000 hektar. W-O-W-W-O. Dan orangnya cuma berempat. Oke, baik, kita boleh jalan Om sebelum saya semakin sirik lagi.
Alright.
Oke.
So if you're gonna see on that side, we have got like this is
Ini apa?
actually a
Coba.
foyer.
Oke, this is the foyer.
It's a foyer. Jadi istilahnya kalau orang datang atau ada what you call it like a meeting, you know.
Iya.
So people yang kita nggak dekat atau kita
Biasanya
nggak
di
kenal,
sini.
Oke, sini dulu.
Oke, jadi ini tempat di mana kenapa warnanya harus gold? Karena ini sebenarnya karena mungkin nggak ini ya, tamu-tamu yang nggak dekat jadi lebih formal, isn't it?
Yes, that's very correct.
Oh, oke.
Dan juga ini berapa barang emang cuman untuk we have got like so much stuff over here from collecting from the holiday or from beli-beli aja yang suka. So that's why we gonna I decorate it as whatever we can put here. Okay, kita masih ada gudang. So everything is on the other
Taruh
side.
di storage ya. Oke, Om Philip, now where we going? Nah, tuh kan ada ini lagi kan, si deer lagi di sini ada 2 nih. Tapi do you feel it bahwa akhir-akhir ini tuh banyak banget rumah dengan Scandinavian style itu juga yang pada pakai si reindeer ini kan?
Yes,
gitu.
exactly.
Iya kan?
Nah tapi ini is like the difference here is like saya kasih cat, okay? So I'm
kamu
gonna
cat
make it a
hijau
little bit-
kan?
Exactly. So the color is actually very popping out. You know, it's like this is more like jade. Yeah.
Oh, jade
Yes,
color.
exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
And the golden horns represent something, you know, it's like which is a little bit different. You know, it's like which fits into the design in a way of having something a little bit more classic.
Something yang more classic.
Yes,
Nah,
because like di sini emang lantai 1 is more like
more classic.
homey and classy like that.
Oke. Iya, I can see that. Nah, kalau ini tuh banyak banget yang gambar-gambar ini perwayangan ya. Is this kamu? Kayaknya nggak mungkin deh. Sorry for cutting your chair. Karena Om Philip ini kan kecil dan besarnya kan di
Jerman.
Di Jerman.
Yes.
Jadi tapi kok bisa mengerti dengan si budaya Indonesia ini? Is it yours or your spouse?
No, actually this is from my parents-in-law. Okay, so because we are very well connected to people in Cirebon yang bikin topeng.
Ini apa lagi sih Om? Kayak banyak banget spot-spotnya di sini. Ini buat tempat apa Om?
Sebenarnya untuk in the morning having breakfast or having lunch.
Emang nggak bisa di situ tadi breakfastnya?
Bisa, di mana-mana bisa.
Oh, tapi ini biasanya dibuka kali pintunya ya?
Yes, exactly. So if you want to go swim or you're here with the kids, okay, sorry ya, berantakan ya, okay.
Iya, namanya kan ada anak-anak.
Still all the stuff in the swimming pool.
Yes.
But normally we're gonna swim and have here some
Have
lunch.
breakfast in here.
Yeah,
Oh my god, lihat anjingnya. Dari jauh lucu ya, kalau dari dekat aku takut. Oh my god.
So this is the part where we have got like dinner or lunch or terima tamu untuk pesta or whatsoever,
Wow,
or in a small circle.
Alright, jadi ini tempat makan nih bersama dengan keluarga. Now let's check out another room. Kita kemana? Oh mohon maaf ya, ini kan lantai 4. Aku pegel dong kalau naik tangga.
Okay.
Ada lift nggak Om? Nggak bisa dong. Pegel.
We have also lift for today. Okay.
Wow, okay. Let's go. Ini kita jalan masuk ke liftnya modelnya kayak mau ngeroom ya guys.
I'm
If
so
you know what I
sorry.
mean.
This is actually very messy. Okay, unexpected. I have Melody today here.
That's alright.
Let's go up.
Jadi ini liftnya ada 2. Satu liftnya untuk kamu, satu lift keluarga dan satu lift untuk Mbak.
Anjing.
Untuk anjing.
Okay. Sorry, it's like very thick. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Masuk.
And
Mohon maaf ya.
everyone have
Lift orang kaya,
distance.
lift orang kaya. Sempit banget.
So we're here on the 3rd floor.
Oh, this is 3rd floor.
The third. We have the 2nd floor also, but
Yes.
we're gonna go to the. This is more like a chill place.
Maaf. Wait. Jadi ini Om pakai apa namanya fingers.
Ya,
Nggak bisa
jempol
pakai
ini.
kunci.
Nah,
Kaki bisa.
Bisa dong.
Okay, let's go guys. Nah, ini apa? What room is this?
So this is a place where my family hang out to have a
Okay.
little bit of TV, entertainment. or
Okay.
what you call it, like chill out time.
Chill out time in here.
Yeah, so things are easier here.
Watching
yeah?
Netflix and whatsoever.
Not really,
Oh.
but it's like more like new graphics.
By the way, ini kapan bukanya? Boleh dong supaya viewers
it's like,
bisa lihat.
Okay. It's like we have still distance, okay?
Buka. Oke gini, Om Philip tuh takut. Jadi dia tuh kemarin waktu pada saat launching si YouTube-nya, banyak yang bilang, Om Philip kan sekarang kan lagi pandemi nih segala macam. Ya kalau gue sih sekarang gini guys. Jadi kalau misalnya gue tuh make sure nih, kan Philip selalu swab and selalu rapid test. Jadi biasanya kita ngobrol dulu nih, kalau emang this person that I trust gitu, oh dia emang negatif. Jadi gue sih biasanya tetap social distancing, tapi lebih comfortable. Tapi kalau misalnya nggak terlalu dekat, if I'm not that close with the person, biasanya aku pakai face shield gitu.
Thank you so much for information.
Will
Okay.
you
So
buka?
Okay, di sini ya. Okay, I'll let hang like that.
Okay, alright.
I keep
You're
that.
hot, right?
Okay.
Panas kan?
So we are here
Yeah.
actually in our living room,
Yes.
where my kids chilling out, having
Okay.
TV and playing PlayStation and
Okay.
stuff like that. Yeah?
Yep.
So and this is actually our little
Nih.
botanic garden.
Oh, botanical garden.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, Phil, ini apa? What is this? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So many plants.
Okay, actually this is a work of my wife.
Okay.
Because she loves planting, and
okay.
how you can see greenery
Yeah.
and I get used to it.
Iya.
I love it.
Oke, jadi basically di sini adalah tempat biasanya, what do you call it in English? Patio ya, patio.
Yes, you can say
Patio,
that.
yeah.
Or you can say like a little botanic garden.
Oh,
Okay,
botanical
it's
garden.
raining.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oke. Jadi ini adalah tempat mereka chill bersama dengan keluarga, oke?
Yeah.
Can we move?
Yeah, sure.
Oke, let's
Okay.
go. Nah, ini ruangan apa?
We are here now in the
Yeah.
dining room. We are here for having dinner and
Yeah.
breakfast and etc. And this is a kitchen.
Tapi one second, let's be honest. How many times you guys as a family use this dining table like to have a dinner together? Jarang atau sering?
Maybe just once in a week or once in 2 weeks.
Oh. Jadi lebih sering gitu.
Because kita sebenarnya apa like in front of the TV in the rooms ya, and it's like
Okay.
sambil
Sambil nonton TV dan
Yes,
segala macam.
exactly, yeah.
Nah, itu adalah
This is a kitchen where I used to cook, okay?
You used to cook?
Yes, because now everything is under construction, yes.
Okay.
So I will renew everything and
Yeah.
it stays like it is right now. We have also another kitchen,
Okay.
which my wife did, guys, okay?
Oh, wow.
Smaller, but we can also cook.
Jadi ini jarang dipakai sebenarnya.
Ya, sekarang.
Oh.
Ya.
Mendingan dikosin. Oke, kita naik ke atas.
Yeah. Okay, now Melanie, we are going upstairs. This is the place where I usually get all ideas for interior design or having some brainstorming also with the
With your team?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So also to hang out.
Oke. Oh, ini room yang sering saya lihat di Instagram.
Oh,
ya. You upload it quite often. Ini apa? Ini ruangan apa?
Okay, this is a room where
Mohon maaf sebentar. Itu ada tas perempuan bukan tas istrinya kan?
Maybe that's too much for you. But maybe that's too much for you.
Okay, ini satu tempat. We
Yeah.
are here on the fourth floor. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the mezzanine, where I get a lot of inspiration, brainstorming,
Oh,
or
okay.
also meeting or chill out with my friends. Okay.
Wow.
Ya, jadi
Ini
so I
kayaknya-
hang out here, it's like
Iya, nyari segala macam ideas dan segala. Tapi ini kayaknya lebih what you call this?
mezzanine.
No, I mean like the style. Ini kayaknya nggak klasik kan? Ini lebih apa?
I would call it like a mix of Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes.
Or
Oh,
of,
Sherlock
no,
Holmes.
no.
Oh my
No,
God,
no.
Phil, look at this. Oh my. Ini yang udah oldies vintage gitu.
Very, very right. Yeah.
Wow.
So actually, I'm a collector of cameras or of all things or stuff that I actually like. Okay.
Oh, suka ngumpulin yang tua-tua.
Yes, like cameras, for example. You know.
Nenek-nenek nggak dikumpulin. Okay, ini which one is the oldest one?
The oldest one would be the Contax. Yeah, the Cortex, yeah.
Itu tahun berapa, Phil?
Must be already more than 20 years. Yeah. Yeah.
What the freak is this?
Oke, ini
Goodness me,
namanya
what is
baling. Ya, baling.
What's
This is baling. Here. Look.
Oh, baling-baling.
Yeah, it's baling. It's a baling from airplane, all right?
Wow.
So the thing is like how you know, or some people know, it's like I'm a furniture designer specialized for airplane furniture, okay?
Okay.
So this is one piece, it's like I've got like a lot of pieces, but yeah, how you can see here and here, the same.
Ini apa sih? What is this?
So this is actually an end table made of an airplane piece. Okay, this is an exit window.
Wait. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's an exit window. Yeah. And now what we can see here is a table or my office desk is made of an airplane as well.
Oh ya?
But this is made of the side windows. Yeah.
Guys, jadi ini guys, ini tuh adalah
This is an exit window. Sorry. Exit
jendela
window,
untuk
yeah.
keluar pesawat. Ini dipotong ya karena si Om Philip ini suka beli pesawat misalnya chip in with your friends, dibagi tuh pesawat ya. Nah, bongkan-bongkan some part of the airplane-nya itu dibuat jadi si interior.
So practically
Amazing.
everything is like vintage, how you said.
Yeah.
Modern, also
Mix,
mixed
ya.
with technology, high technology.
Oke,
yeah.
alright, that's it for this room. Itu kayaknya private ya. Kok mohon maaf, kok bisa ada tempat tidur? Mohon maaf ya. Kenapa Anda bisa ada
kalau
kamar?
lagi
Kok ada
capek,
kamar di
kalau
sini?
lagi capek,
Yes.
and I work too much, okay, so like
Yeah.
then I'm going here, then istirahatnya di sini ada,
Oh,
okay.
gitu.
So istilahnya apa? Sometimes I'm working 24/7
Yeah.
on a project or designing stuff.
Keras ya?
Like yeah, you of course have to. It's like because my back is like udah.
Tuh kan, tua lagi.
Looking down, no ground, dust, shadows make no sound. A game of hide and seek. Where do I go from here? Walls are torn and down. Should stay but wanna run so.
Nah, ini dia adalah yang aku bilang, what is builder in bahasa? Kuli ya?
Builder, no, I am actually an
Pekerja bangunan.
interior designer.
No, kamu kuli.
Oke, saya
ini
kuli.
adalah
Oke,
kuli bangunan
kuli
yang
deh.
paling ganteng se-Jakarta guys. Yang pernah digodain sama Nikita Mirzani, ya
Oh
kan?
my goodness.
Oh my god, builder banget kan guys? Tuh, udah persiapan, alatnya gede-gede loh guys. Dia gedong-gedong loh.
Gedong. Oke guys, ini sebenarnya.
Yes.
Oke, sekarang Melanie udah di sini ya.
Ya.
So Melanie baru nyampe di sini dan ya Melanie sebenarnya saya itu ada kerjaan buat
Aduh
klien
Philip,
saya.
aku tuh artis, selebriti, masa aku disuruh gini-gini sih ngapain? Kamu ngajak aku begini-begini. Hai guys, hai Komedo kesayangan aku. Aku tuh punya fan club namanya Komedo Komunitas Melanie Ricardo.
Oh, Komedo, alright, that's cool. Okay.
So like this. Komedo Komunitas Melanie Ricardo.
Okay, I just can't do that.
Yes, you can. Come on. Oke,
Good to see you. Good to see you. Good
to
to have you here in my gallery.
Of course.
Yes.
Oh, kita lagi ada di galerinya Philip Yusuf. By the way, ini adalah kuli ganteng yang tadi aku bilang sama kalian,
Kuli ya?
guys. Kuli ganteng. Kuli ganteng meaning adalah handsome builders, ya.
okay.
Oke, Philip. By the way, apa kabar di tengah pandemi ini? Kok tiba-tiba Philip Yusuf sekarang melaunching? By the way, guys, subscribe ya YouTube channelnya Philip Yusuf, and then
Philip
here's-
Space.
Philip Space. Oh,
Yes,
Philip
Philip
Space.
Space.
Like aerospace.
Exactly.
Wow.
No space kenapa? Karena pas like space saya punya konten ya banyak
Yeah.
buat like interior design, buat
Yeah,
like rooms.
yeah.
Dan itu emang like lebar banget yang kita bisa shoot di mana-mana. Jadi space,
Okay.
ruangan space, train is a space, car is a space.
Makanya
you can do
Philip
everything.
Space, yes.
Exactly.
You can do anything with this space, asik. Oke, Phil, rumah yang paling, I don't know, like the most amazing project you've ever done, mungkin it could be bersama dengan the project kemarin, yang mungkin rumahnya tadi udah bobrok, udah jelek banget, and then you came up with idea apa yang paling amazing project?
For me, it's very important. It's like where I can make people happy. You know, it's
Okay.
like nomor satu. It's like for a little intro.
Yeah.
So jadi apa kalau saya lihat ada satu family yang ada beberapa anak ya tempat di satu rumah yang saya lihat kabel-kabel sama listrik
Yeah.
itu semua ini udah bocor-bocor, and then it's like next to the water. You know, it's like it's very dangerous. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
Nah, stuff kayak begitu. So for me is number one, safetyness is number one. Yeah, and then comes the design.
Yeah. Oh, safeness number one.
Oh, definitely.
And then comes
oh,
the design.
Yes,
Okay.
ya. Ya, di mana saya bisa spend money, ya, not my money for the project, karena
Yeah.
the project was paying that, ya.
Yeah.
Was for me always to repair all the stuff yang emang rusak atau yang di
Yeah.
mana saya bisa bantu untuk having more safetyness.
Okay.
Yes. Nah, and then after that the interior, the beauty.
The
ya.
beauty,
Nah,
okay.
tapi it's like going back to talk about like what was
Yang
the
paling nggak terlupakan tuh kamu nolong siapa sih, rumahnya di kamu apain?
Man, there's so many, or there are too many. Tapi what I can say, what for me was a challenge, ya,
Okay.
a challenge, and yang dimana saya bisa bikin beberapa orang happy. Kalau nggak salah itu 32 atau 34 orang, ya, it's like teacher.
Wow,
Ya, so jadi, teachers,
34 orang
in
guru,
one
guys.
in one hit or in one makeover, ya.
Wow.
Jadi ceritanya begini, Mel. Dulu emang ada satu sekolah yang
Yeah.
panggil saya untuk bikin ngerenov karena
Yeah.
pertama ada satu ruangan di satu sekolah
Yeah.
yang the teachers yang kumpul-kumpul untuk like having their little office. Tapi office mereka tuh nggak ada office buat sendiri. Mereka ada satu office. One big room, terus ada satu desk next to each other. Jadi semua gencet-gencet, working, you know, it's like writing.
Yeah,
Jadi itu
yeah.
semuanya 32 atau 34 orang
Yeah.
teachers,
Yeah.
yang emang harus mesti di satu ruangan yang lumayan gede.
And then they changed
And then I
the
changed
ruang.
it, ya.
Wow.
Nah, jadi buat saya yang why I took that offer karena it was a big challenge.
Yep.
Karena itu like banyak orang yang
Yep.
tempatin si ruangan itu.
Yep.
Nomor dua, I want to support the education juga di
Yep.
Indonesia. Nah, seandainya kita bisa kasih edukasi yang baik
Yep.
ke anak-anak, ya, atau istilahnya kita we can make the teachers happy.
Yeah.
Ya,
Why
they have
not,
got like
yeah.
ruangan bagus dan
Yeah.
semuanya lebih aman dan
Yeah.
lebih what you call more nicer and safer. Pasti itu nempelnya ke outcoming to the students.
Okay.
Jadi apa mereka?
The next generation.
Yes, exactly. Ya.
Okay.
So jadi saya bikin satu ruangan gede untuk 34 orang atau teachers make a makeover.
Jadi mereka lebih comfortable.
Yes,
Oh, that's
exactly.
nice.
Ya, benar.
Kenapa kamu segitu cintanya sama yang namanya pesawat? Bahkan guys, katanya dia ini tuh beli pesawat, bangkai pesawat atau
ya.
pesawat yang masih jalan.
Sebenarnya ada beberapa pesawat yang harus mesti turun dari air traffic.
Okay.
Ya, karena emang it's like this overdue.
Yeah,
Tapi
yeah.
emang for the company or for the flight company, let's say itu terlalu mahal untuk
Okay.
diservis lah begitu.
Okay.
Jadi mereka harus mesti taruhnya di hanggar.
Okay.
Tapi cuma bisa beberapa lama karena that cost rental
Ya,
cost
betul,
buat mereka.
benar.
Jadi itu mereka harus mesti do something with the
Oke.
pesawat. Gitu.
Pesawat termahal yang Philip Joseph pernah beli adalah harganya in rupiah.
Nomor satu, saya tidak beli pesawatnya sendiri, ya. Saya ada beberapa orang atau partners yang nawarin saya untuk Philip mau nggak patungan? Nah,
Okay.
karena mereka the big dealers,
Yeah,
the airplane
yeah.
dealers
Yeah.
mau beli airplane.
Yep.
Terus nanya, Philip, are you interested? Lu mau nggak patungan mungkin untuk ini part itu
Yeah.
blah. Nah, and then I gonna chip in, of course, karena saya lagi mau bikin design table
Yeah.
atau mungkin a chair.
Okay.
Terus
Oke, setelah itu pesawat dibagi-bagi.
bisa bilang dibagi-bagi, ya.
Dibagi-bagi, and then you make it, you customize, become, I don't know, dining table, anything.
Yeah.
The most expensive one that you've ever sold dari bekas piecesnya pesawat tuh berapa?
You're so in detail. Oh my god. That's around.
Karena kan itu is a masterpiece, right?
Yes, exactly. Around 8 to 10
What?
thousand.
Wow,
That's so far.
gila, berapa kali nge-vlog tuh gua. Wow, pernah nggak naksir sama stewardesses misalnya? Kalau kamu segitu into airplane-nya, ya?
Ya pasti ya, misalnya sebagai
Yeah.
dulu like a boy or like a young man itu
Yeah.
pasti kalau kita emang di pesawat Yang pasti kita sebelum masuk pesawat itu pasti
Yes.
kita nih udah it's like a surprise. Oke, nah kita lihat
Yeah.
terus like pramugari, like
Yeah.
stewardess. Oke, kita lihat dulu. Cantik. Oh ya, ada berapa stewardess di sini? Something like that, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, and of course.
Jadi dulunya emang pernah had a crush on stewardess.
Yes.
Pramugari kan, bukan pramugara kan?
Oh my goodness, no.
Oke, baiklah teman-teman silakan subscribe ya ke Philip Space sekali lagi ya. So anything about interior design ya boleh nanti dicek. Thank you very much untuk ngobrol-ngobrolnya. Wish you all the best untuk Philip Space-nya dan
Thank you very much.
Pengen lihat karya-karya and your masterpiece even more in the future.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Philip Space also.